Hello guys. The final one for this module is going to be environmental degradation. So Mother Nature, the natural environment with all its ecosystem services comprises the entire basis for life on the planet. Its value is therefore impossible to quantify or even model. What is environmental degradation? Environmental degradation is the result of socio-economical, technological, and institutional activities. Degradation occurs when Earth's natural resources are depleted. These resources which are affected include water, air, soil. The degradation also impacts our wildlife, plants, animals, and microorganisms. How environmental degradation occurs? Environmental changes are based on many factors, including urbanization, the population explosion, in intensification of agriculture, increase in energy use, increase in transportation. High quantity of exhaust gases, secondary pollutants, high number of industries such as mining, chemical effluents, and unplanned land use policies. So the next thing is about the effect of the major environmental problems on both health and productivity are. So water pollution and water scarcity, air pollution, solid and hazardous wastes, soil degradation, deforestation, loss of biodiversity, atmospheric changes. Some solutions to environmental degradation might include afforestation, mixed crops or crop rotation, drip irrigation, stocking your land, purchase recycled products, conserve water, conserve energy, and be an advocate to save our planet. So, over here, we need to think as much as we can about our environment. So, this module basically was dedicated to discuss the basics about environment itself. So, what can you think of when you just think about such basic things about environment, just like pollution or some other things? So just think about that a bit in order to understand the importance of having the clean water, the clean sanitation, the clean air, right, with no pollutants, the clean I don't know, just the clean and not the clean, but maybe as much efforts to make the real kind of contribution to have the green resources as much as you can. So, and some other stuff. Well, it definitely will just will provide yourselves a kind of concluding minds about your efforts as well. So you shouldn't forget that you are a kind of just global citizen who actually influences, right, on some changes. So the environmental change is no exception. You need to understand. So one more time, environmental degradation is the kind of alarming issue in the planet. You need to understand that. So it has become a common concern for humankind over the past few decades. So maybe kind of mindless consumerism and economic growth have started to demonstrate kind of effects on our mother nature. In spite of this, the pace and the desire for economic development have never ceased. It is economics that had maybe dictated environmental policy. But you also should understand that, guys, the concluding chapter delves into the philosophy behind the concept of green and clean development. Over there we need to understand the kind of just the kind of chapters that might highlight various economic approaches to address environmental issues. It also critically analyzed the role of, of technology in sustainable development. Over here, we shouldn't again deny the kind of, matter of technology. So it won't take us to some degradation approaches, not approaches, maybe degradation ways. It will reduce, it will avoid all the issues about degrading or something else. So finally you need to understand that just so many attempts have been made, right, in order to highlight the kind of importance about environmental degradation. So, and please be one of the contributors who would help, who would not only take the action but also maybe kind of think about some possible suggestions, solutions, and some outcomes that would help out in order to avoid, such issues just like environmental degradation. So, and thank you so much one more time for being with me during all of this, just all of the journey that we had during this course. Hopefully it was just useful for yourselves and you will just have some kind of self suggestions for yourselves and further. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.